Okay, so is Etoro Copy Trading worth it? Is Etoro Copy Trading worth it? Have you tried Etoro or Copy Trading? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. So in this quick video, we are just going to share. I'm just going to share from my own experience of using Etoro Copy Trading. So I think it's worth it if you are a beginner trader. You do not know what to do in the market. You are just a beginner trader. You are trying to find your grounding in the markets, and you want to copy what other experienced professional profitable traders are doing without too many headaches from the start. Then you can use Etoro's copy trader. If you are a passive trader, you probably are not trading all the time because you are at work, or you have other things that are occupying your time. You might actually find value from Etoro Copy Trading because you are automatically setting your account to mirror the trades that are being taken by other highly performing traders. So whatever they do in their account is also done in your account. So that's a plus in that. So maybe let's just talk about some pros and cons of using Etoro's Copy Trader. So the good thing is it's regulated, so there's no chance of Etoro running away with your money because they are regulated in the US, in the UK, in Australia, in Europe, and the sort. Then there are no commissions for all the copied trades. There are no commissions, there are no management fees associated with all the trades that your account will automatically take based on the trader that you are copying. So that's a plus as well. Then you can also copy up to 100 traders, just to diversify your copy trading. You don't want to rely on one person. What if that person falls sick, or maybe they are not performing as they should, like they normally do? So you can actually copy up to 100 traders, and the interface for copy trading is actually beginner friendly. It's not complicated. You just come here, and look at how this person has been performing. If you decide to copy their trades, you can look at their portfolio, you can look at their stats, and then you just click here to start copying their trades. Let's just talk about some of the cons, why you probably would not want to do copy trading with Etoro. So they are reputed to widen spreads than dedicated brokers. So if you choose to go with copy trading on Etoro, expect a wider spreads. That's a con. Then you get also to pay a $5 withdrawal fees on the trades that the profit that you made via your copy trading. Then overnight fees are leveraged trade on leveraged trades, so you get to pay overnight fees on any leveraged trades that your copy trading does. Then you also need to deposit minimum $200 per trade, which kind of adds up if you are tight on funds. So you need to copy trade with minimum $200 per trader. So if you're going to be copying several traders, it's going to actually start adding up. Then you are locked into Etoro's platform. If you're going to be trading with Etoro, there is no MetaTrader 4, there's no MetaTrader 5. So if you are used to trading on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, there is no such thing on Etoro. So yeah, it's something that you need to be aware of if you're considering copy trading with Etoro. Is it worth it? What do you guys think? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below.